Hi, so this is the answer to your first question, how to make effective PowerPoint presentation. You can use these tips when you are presenting either in the office or board meeting or in front of a gathering, say in a conference or during your dissertation viva voce. What makes your presentation effective? For this, you need to understand three major limitations of human brain. Human brain can process only a limited information at a given time, so you need to be very specific and brief with what you are presenting. When you present same information in the form of text and pictures, pictures have far more impact on human memory and understanding, that is 65%, versus text which has only 10% impact. There is something called as verbal redundancy that happens when you just read the slides. When the same information is presented as a text on the slide as well as your narration, it hinders the grasping and attention by the audience. So let's learn how to enhance impact of your presentation with respect to four important aspects: contents, slides, presentation, and defense. First is contents. It is always good to start your presentation with a list of contents which can give an overview to your audience. As we have seen, pictures have more impact. Try to use maximum pictures which are relevant and appropriate with your talk. You can include them in the introduction. For explaining materials and methods, flowcharts are the best option. You can present your results in the form of pie charts or bar graphs, line graphs, or simply in the form of tables or any other types of graphs. Once you have put all the contents on the slide, take efforts in formatting your slides. Never use long text in your presentation. It will force your audience to read it. Instead of that, make use of just bullets or short sentences. Secondly, you need to place all the contents on every slide equally so as to make the best use of available space. When you use dark background and light text, it forces the eyes to work harder and open wider, creating stress. When you use light background, it is easy to read and focus, and you can use all the attractive colors. At last, read all your contents to remove spelling and grammatical mistakes. Use scientifically correct abbreviations, uniform font, and attractive colors. Next thing, you need to work on your presentation and communication skills. Very important thing is your attire and body language, which should not be casual. The way you stand also matters. So wear only formal and decent attire. Instead of just standing behind the podium or at one place all the time, you need to make use of all the space available on the stage. You will be able to make eye contact as well as you will be audible. Do not carry any books or notes with you. Instead of that, you are expected to pick up important points from the slides and try to explain it to the audience. Instead of just reading values on the graphs, try to explain the effect, reasons behind it, and what does that mean scientifically. You need to cover all the slides in the stipulated time, so write down what you are going to talk and practice with respect to time. Remember to talk clear, pronounce correctly, and be audible to all. Now comes the most difficult part, that is defense. Remember these reactions? But do not worry, you can work on this part too. You just need to see your presentation as an audience and ask questions on your own presentation. Why did you study this? How did you keep positive and negative controls? What problems did you face during the research? So, predict all your questions and prepare your defense slides containing these answers. Keep your defense slides after thank you slide and show only when somebody asks you that question. Do not forget to carry all your supporting materials like your research or review papers, products you synthesized or formulated. So, mind well, you need at least 3 weeks to make your presentation worth. Give 1 week to put all the data on the slides, 1 week to format all the slides, and 1 week just to focus on your speech. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and all the best for your next presentation.